Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable phone notifications on iPhone for Apple Watch Series 11. First of all, grab the iPhone that is paired with your Apple Watch, open the app library on it and search for the watch application. Once you find it, open it and then scroll down to notifications. Open the notifications menu, scroll down to the phone app and open it. Now, once you open it, you can either select mirror my iPhone if you want to mirror your iPhone settings for this application, or you can select custom and then tap allow notifications. And if you want to, you can enable sound for notifications and haptic by switching one of these two toggles or both of them. And that's how you do it. To disable the notifications, you have to select notifications off, and then you will not receive any notifications from your phone app on your Apple Watch. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.